Gamers who recently booted up their consoles and PCs expecting a routine COD update discovered that their entire Black Ops 6 installation had vanished, meaning instead of a quick patch, they faced a massive re-download. Update version 1.085 is the culprit as it's a mandatory preload for Black Ops 7 as it reorganizes the COD HQ app to accommodate the upcoming title launching on November 14. While Activision intended this as a preparation for the new game, the execution left many players scrambling to reinstall content they already had. A frustrated Redditor shared that it's the second time since the BO7 announcement that they had to re-download the entire game in the name of an update. The Redditor went ahead questioning if COD is intentionally trying to be like Apple and slowing down the old generations, pushing them to move to the next one. The scope of this problem varies wildly as some PlayStation 5 users report losing their entire BO6 installation, while PC players on Battle.net faced download sizes exceeding 240 GBs. One of the fellows has explained that the update moves and repacks all files as preparation for BO7 with download sizes scaling based on what's already installed. On PS5 specifically, the update requires around 100 GBs to install, and afterwards players must manually reinstall both BO6 and Warzone packs to continue playing. That's kind of frustrating. FYI, it's not just the PS and PC players that are stuck with massive downloads. Even some Xbox users are impacted. Sadly, this isn't COD's first rodeo with problematic updates. Players have pointed out similar issues earlier, claiming that the constant cycle of massive downloads has now become a running joke. The storage requirements pushed some players over the edge, deleting BO6 permanently to reclaim 150 to 300 GB of space, with some mentioning they can't even fit the update despite already removing the campaign and Warzone content. It doesn't end here, as PC players faced additional headaches beyond the massive downloads, where the Nvidia filters disappeared after the update, leaving them unable to access the GeForce Experience features. Crashes and errors specific to AMD graphic cards have also been reported. The controversial COD HQ launcher continues to draw criticism as the root cause of these integration headaches. It's like a gentle reminder saying the modern COD requires dedication beyond just playing the actual game. If you are sailing in the same boat as many others, keep an eye at the story linked in the description section below for more details. That's all for now.